Today I'm here to try this Nissin cup noodle hot and spicy shrimp flavor, which I got from I think the 99-cent only store. Let me try it. Some of the noodles are kind of orangey. I do feel a little bit of that spicy heat. Here's one of the little shrimp, dehydrated shrimp. Very tiny. So far this isn't all that spicy. It's just a little bit of heat on the tongue. So unless I'm missing something, like maybe there's something on the bottom, this isn't all that spicy. It doesn't have the spiciness that that name would entail. So anyways, maybe I'll give it a B. It still tastes pretty good. If you're a spice wimp and you want to try a little bit of spice, maybe go to this one. So anyways, I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.